Hallo, is Mr. Joseph aan den Alba e fuer aan den Alba and you. Matin va, good morning to you. Uh, Today we're going to talk about the food of Christmas, Biadh na Nollaige-uh. This is my Christmas menu that I want to share with you. Blasta, really delicious. Blasta means delicious. Okay. Um, we're going to get through some of these Gaelic words. They're very easy. Okay, so prawn cocktail, simply the same word, cocktail, and you can use shrimps. You might hear a very slight difference in pronunciation with tail, which could be more like tile, but it's the same. It sounds more just like a derivative of English, okay? So cocktail shrimps. This word here for chicken, which is carch, okay? The E, you might sometimes hear that as a kind of a Y sound, Cearc, and also you might hear more of a E, Cearc, but in standard Gaelic, it looks like it's Carch. What you do need to know is that here, just in between this, these letters, let me just write this. Yeah, there is actually a kind of a CH sound, Carch, before the K, Carch. It's very slight. Carch, you can hear it here in the word for cake, cake. So there's a little CH here. Okay, and I'm going to take that Y out because it's not helpful. Cake, cake. Yeah. So let's just go back to the top there. So I was saying the cocktail shrimps, blasta, um, Cearc, ròsta. The E is a little bit distracting because you don't really hear it. It's more of a Cearc, ròsta. Mashed potato, Ploc buntàta, the pronunciation Ploc buntàta. Peas, Pess-uh-rehn, Pess-uh-rehn. Garlic bread, Aran garlach. That's an easy one to remember. Aran garlach. Aran garlach, the pronunciation. The KH is like the CH in loch. Okay. Aran garlach. Cheesecake, cake, khah-shuh, khah-shuh. Okay. Now there's a kh sound coming in there. Khah-shuh. So there we are. That's my Christmas menu. It's looking delicious. Blasta. Hi, Blasta. So Coctail, uh, carch ròsta, Ploc buntàta, Peasairean, Aran garlach, Cèic, khah-shuh. Now, I recommend that you spend some time with that audio Gaelic dictionary on Learn Gaelic. The website Learn Gaelic. Just put into Google Learn Gaelic Dictionary and it'll bring up this fabulous dictionary. But again, keep in mind, Gaelic words are often pronounced differently in every area, and some effort has been made to standardize that. So using the Gaelic dictionary, you can really understand more of the standard Gaelic. But there is still a lot of variations around. So let's just focus on the standard when we're reading this. Okay, Crush Galore. So that's it. Very nice, very nice. So I'm just going to say Martian Lit, Chiri and Drasda until next time.